Oh, what's up? We're back out here in these woods again. Headed to check out these old dog-proof traps I set last night. Got my trusty old pellet rifle. That's what we like to knock these raccoons out with. Pellet rifles with these little 22 caliber pellets. They pretty powerful too. But anyways, gonna check these dog proofs. I set 2 dog proofs, and I set a God, I forgot the bait. Anyways, set 2 dog proofs and a box trap yesterday afternoon. So we're headed down this afternoon. Check out these old traps. I'm gonna hobble on down here. When we get down in here, we're gonna hopefully got some raccoons we got to knock out. Without a doubt, there's gonna be some raccoons we got to knock out. So y'all stay tuned. We're in the big woods. Alright, boss. We're getting close down here to the traps. We're getting close to the food spot. Ah, wood ducks. Man, it feels good today. Big wrong day to decide to go to work. I'll tell you that. Anyway, let's get on down here. I see one raccoon locked up. I see 2 raccoons locked up. Oh, that's a possum over here. Raccoon. 2 raccoons in there. Well, look at that right there. I got 2 raccoons in that one. Oh, 2 pups in there. Look at that. Ran through the pond over there. And I see flies. Oh, that's a raccoon too. Well, look at there. 3 pups. He tired. He done wore himself out. I'll take it you mama. So I guess you the only one getting it today. I ain't tell y'all, them wafers hell, boy. Look at that. So y'all see, I think I got the whole dang on family. I got one little pup right there, and then I got 2 pups over here in the cage. I'm gonna hurry up and get him out in a second. He's a little small, so this probably hurting him. I'm gonna pull this one out. We're gonna relocate these boogers. They too small to go to the pot. Well, as you can see, we got a decent size one. Them 2 right there are real small. We're gonna have to check them out in the pens. Probably put them all in there and cut them loose. That one's gonna go to the house though. I think I might have saw one partial raccoon problem. I can't say all of it because at the beginning of the season I had at one point in time 15 raccoons on camera. Got 4 out of here at the dogs. Got these guys. So There's probably a few hanging around. I know I got some by the pond over there, so I'm gonna take probably this box trap and set it on the pond over here because that's a small coon too. So we might have had our problem solved. That's 4 coons, 1 set. All right. Cut these pups loose. So we got to get a place. This is a little bigger, but he can go get some meat on him for a little bit for the time being. But these 2 right here, they young babies, they can go on out. So I'm gonna go cut these.